guys. How was your? I hope your yesterday experience was good. So very warm welcome, guys, on your second class. Okay, guys. So what we are going to learn today are greetings. So that's very important. If you learn a language, it is very important that we should know how to greet someone. Greeting is a very important part of any language, be it Hindi, be it Punjabi, be it English, any language. It is very important. So your second class is very important, which is greeting. It's about greetings, and then you will learn about that you learn later. So you'll see it, what you're going to learn next. So first we are going to learn today is how uh, how you greet someone.
How to greet someone.
So as we have learned in German, obviously hello is known as hallo, and then there are no more good morning, no more good day, no more good evening. So Himanshi, next.
Yeah. So it is Guten Morgen for good
Yes.
morning, Guten Tag for good day, Guten Abend for good evening, Gute Nacht for good night, Auf Wiedersehen for goodbye, Tschüss for bye bye, Willkommen for welcome.
So guys, as you can see, good morning, guten morgen, guten tag, good day. So if you meet someone and in the middle of the day, let's suppose there is no morning, there is no evening, so you can say guten tag. You can use this. And guten tag, there is no guten mittag. So in afternoon, there is no greeting known as good afternoon in German. So guten tag you can use if you are meeting someone in afternoon, and this is a greeting which you can use for entire day. Likewise, you write an email in German language, so you say guten tag. Yes. So you don't have to mention precisely Guten Morgen or Guten Abend. They do use Guten Tag moreover than Guten Morgen, Guten Abend. That's what I have experienced.
Correct.
So Guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Guys, any question till now? Any pronunciation? You must wanted to know why Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend, but Gute Nacht. So it's part of the language. That's how they say. So there's no such logic behind it. But yes, it is Gute Nacht. Okay. Someone is asking. What is goodbye? Auf Wiedersehen. So what is Wiedersehen? That is very important to understand. Wiedersehen means to see again. If like goodbye, to see. Wiedersehen means wieder is something again. Like bitte wieder sprechen means again. So Wiedersehen, I'll see you again. Auf Wiedersehen, I'll see you. Sehen is to see. Wieder is again. Auf Wiedersehen. So that is how this word is known as we'll see you again. Is अगर हम इसका English literal English translation समझेंगे auf Wiedersehen का, that would be we'll see you again. So not exactly bye. So bye is cheers. Cheers.
And also goodbye is also in German we say bis später.
Bis später. And
Bis
if
später.
you're talking on phone, let's suppose I'm talking to someone and that person is from Germany. So I'll say gut auf Wiederhören, because I cannot see that person. I cannot see that person. Himanshi, can you please write in the chat box auf Wiederhören?
Okay.
So auf Wiederhören. So I'll hear you again, kind of like I'll next time we'll good to talk to you, next time we'll talk again. That kind of greeting. So if you are meeting someone face to face and you're saying goodbye, so that means auf Wiedersehen. If you are talking to someone on the call, you're on the phone and you say auf Wiederhören. Hören means to hear. Wieder means again. We'll talk again. Okay, is it clear, guys? Is it clear with you? Am I loud and clear today? Okay, okay. So anybody wants to try with us this Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend very quickly. Himanshi, today you have to help me in choosing students. Choose maybe randomly 2 students, 1 girl, 1 boy. Okay, okay. Arpana and Shivomna Paruthi. Please go ahead.
Guten Morgen,
Yes,
Guten Tag,
yes.
Guten Abend,
Guten Abend, yes. Because it's A, nicht A. Very good.
Guten Nacht,
Gute Nacht. 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 Gute Nacht.
okay.
Try again, try again. Gute Nacht.
Guten Nacht,
Good.
auf Wiedersehen,
Auf Wiedersehen. So as I've
Sehen.
mentioned, auf wieder means again, sehen means to see. Auf Wiedersehen. See you again. Try again. Bitte
Auf
nochmal probieren.
Wiedersehen,
Sehen.
Sehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Correct. That is correct. Good. Next.
No, I have no clue for this.
Tschüss. Tschüss.
Tschüss.
Tschüss.
Tschüss.
You can also say ciaos. Ciaos. Tschüss. There's so many in German. You learn and you love to learn small things. Tschüss.
Tschüss. And willkommen.
Willkommen. Willkommen. Kommen is to come. Okay. So willkommen is welcome. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Who's next?
Shivomna Paruthi.
Yeah, it's me.
Yes, please go ahead.
I'm starting from welcome, so I think it's willkommen.
So willkommen. Willkommen.
Willkommen. Tschüss.
Yes. Tschüss. Yes.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen. Auf a sound of
Okay.
A, remember? Auf
Okay.
Wiedersehen.
Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. I think it's good. Can you help me with this? Good
Yes.
night.
Gute Nacht. Nacht. Gute Nacht.
Nacht.
Yes.
Gute Nacht. Gute Abend. Gute Nacht.
Yes. Yes.
Guten Abend. Guten Tag.
Yes.
Guten
Good.
Morgen.
Guten Morgen. Wunderschön. Wunderbar. Okay. Himanshi, thank you, Arpana and Shivomna. We can move forward, Himanshi.
Okay. There's one doubt from Vidhi.
Yes,
Why
Vidhi.
isn't there a Z sound at the end of choose?
Z sound. Choose. That's how they speak. We have learned like this in German. So there, as I mentioned earlier as well in the last class also, there are so many times you'll understand with time ki kahan pe there is sound of S, there is sound of Z, but most of the time they use S as Z, but not S. So you will understand this and learn this by time only.
there are greetings that the people living in Germany actually use in their daily life. Like we have studied Guten Abend, but actually they speak like this. In the south of Germany, in the Bavarian region, they say Grüß Gott. In Switzerland, they say Grüßi. In Austria and Bavaria, they say Servus. In northern Germany, they say Tag. No Guten Tag, just Tag. And the goodbyes in the south of Germany are Ade. In Austria and Bavaria, Servus.
So
These are
this
actual daily life slangs of the German people. And the
But-
Zurich people in Switzerland also speak a little bit of German.
but this is only regional. What we have learned earlier, it's that they are that's the general. In general, they use. These are regional. Okay, so just for your information, but you have to keep that in mind, which we have learned earlier. Okay. Next. So these are the dialogues. Next we have. Okay. So Guten Morgen again, Guten Morgen, Guten Tag with examples, and Guten Abend. So if you meet someone, you say hello, and then Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, or Guten Abend. Okay, next. Dialogues. So now again, Himanshi, please choose two
Yes.
students.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Preeti.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, so you help me with this dialogues?
Ma'am, it's not visible.
It's not visible. Zoom it a little bit. Maybe you can read it.
Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Preeti. So
Okay, let me start. So,
okay.
hello, Aish,
Yes.
Aish,
Ish.
Ish.
So in Devdas, you must have listened. Ish.
Ish, yeah. Ish bin, yeah. So we are working on Ish bin, yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly that. Ish, what Aishwarya Rai used to do in Devdas.
Yeah.
That same ish.
Okay, Ish.
Hi.
Hi, say. Hi, sir.
It's Haiza.
Yes.
Haiza Stephen.
Stefan. Stefan, you're
Stefan.
reading German.
Okay.
Stefan.
Stefan. Wie heißt
Sir. Not sure.
heißt
Yeah, do.
heißt du.
Do.
It's wie heißt du.
Do.
Wie heißt du?
Wie heißt du.
So
Hello.
if we literally translate this, hello, I am Suniti. Who are you? If we literally
Okay.
translate this, so I and you. So ish means I, do means you.
Okay.
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 Hallo, ich heiße Stefan. Wie heißt du?
Okay.
Okay, Preeti, currency art watching. Can you please answer?
Grüß dich. Ich bin Tina. Wer bist du?
Okay, wer bist du? Ich bin Tina means I am Tina. Wer bist du? Who are you?
Okay.
So there are two ways to ask who are you. So that is why this dialogue is mentioned over here. Wer bist du means who are you? Wie heißt du means who are you? So both are same. Clear?
Okay. So if we are asking any girl, so in that case we use this heist too.
No, that's
No.
not like do what.
Okay.
It's so jo if okay.
So we
Okay,
have two
I'll
words. No,
explain.
based and this heist.
Yes. So I am and I am. Both are I am. Bist ich bin, I am. My wie heißt du, ich heiße is I am. So both are I am. But do we use if I'm like someone, if I meet a friend of mine, let's suppose, then I use do. But if I'm formally meeting someone, then it's Z. So that these things are basically depends on the conjugation that we
And
learn later.
Gru's dish pronunciation. Gru's dish.
Gru's dish. Gru's dish.
Gru's dish.
So we have learned it yesterday. The combination of double S set.
Gru's dish का मतलब क्या होता है? What does
Um,
dish is you?
so
Basically,
Gru's
it's a
means
greeting.
greeting. It's also part of greeting. I welcome you or Gru's dish. So that kind of greeting is this.
Gru's dish means hello only, like
It's
hello
yeah,
कहने के
like
different
you if
तरीके
you're
हैं.
not saying hello, then you can say Grüß dich. Any other want to try this? This dialogues. There's one cute Mau also. She's saying meow, meow, und ich heiße Mauzi.
Mauzi.
So meow, meow, ich heiße Mauzi. Okay, next slide, Himanshi.
Times during the day.
Can you please tell us the meaning of that meow once again?
Preeti, please be a little louder.
वो जो meow वाला था, please repeat that.
Okay. So it just for the fun thing, meow, meow, ich heiße Mauzi. Und ich heiße Mauzi.
This means
What?
this means the जो बिल्ली है वो बोल रही है म्याऊ म्याऊ मेरा नाम माउत्सी है. Ich heiße I am Maudzi.
Mauzi.
Und means and, meow meow, and I am Maudzi. She is telling these two young people here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So time during the day.
So in the early morning, we say am Morgen.
So likewise, I wanted to say ich aufstehe am Morgen. Stehe auf am Morgen. So means I wanted to say I get up in the morning.
Early in the morning.
Morning. So this ich stehe auf am Morgen. Ich stehe auf am Morgen. I request all to please write this down. Bitte schreiben.
I hope everybody is carrying a notepad and a pen with them.
Ein Kuli und ein Papier. Stehe means get up. Stehe means get up, to get up. Aufstehen means get up.
Wait a second. I need to stop the share for a second.
Mhm.
So in the morning, it's Vormittag, Morgen.
Vormittag means because just before afternoon time, like 10:30, 11 o'clock, so that time. Ich esse mein Frühstück means I eat my breakfast am Vormittag. Ich esse mein Frühstück am Vormittag.
Okay, I'll write this. Ich esse
Frühstück, breakfast. Esse, essen is to eat. Yes, we are writing, Preeti.
So Frühstück is
Breakfast.
breakfast. At noon is Mittag. In the afternoon, Nachmittag. In the evening, they
Abend.
say Abend.
Abend.
In the night, they say in der Nacht.
Zum Beispiel, for example, ich esse nicht im Nachmittag oder ich schlafe nicht am Nachmittag. Am Abend gehe ich spazieren, means in the evening I go for a walk. Am Abend gehe ich spazieren. In der Nacht sehe ich einen Film. In der Nacht sehe ich einen Film. So we'll send you these sentences as well. So it would be easy, or I'll send a daily routine with I'll share a daily routine with you. So that would be clear, more clear. Okay. Am Morgen, for. Okay, how to pronounce what?
Nachmittag. Nachmittag.
Nachmittag, afternoon, late in the afternoon, just before the evening time. So noon time, like 12 to 2. Then there is Nachmittag, afternoon time, and then you have Abend. So now you might understand why there is no Guten Nachmittag or Guten Mittag, because it is already divided into two. Vormittag, Am-Mittag, and Nachmittag. There are so many. So that is why there is no good afternoon in German, because that's how they have divided their timing.
Okay. So we shall move to the next slide.
Yes. Is there any other question, guys? Times during the day, or should I repeat any sentence? Okay, thank you.
In
In
der
the
Nacht.
night.
In der Nacht. In der Nacht. So now it's wie geht es? Wie geht es? How are you doing? If you need to ask someone, wie geht es?
Wie geht's? Wie geht's?
Wie geht's? Wie geht's?
Yes. Wie geht es Ihnen is when you use that noun. So wie geht's is when you're generally asking wie geht's without pronoun. So yes.
The reply can be fantastic, fantastisch. Very good. Sehr
Sehr
gut. Good. Gut. Okay. Okay in German also.
Okay, I have learned Zolala also. Like if you wanted to say that I'm okay, so ich bin Zolala means I'm like just very okay. I'm not too good, not too bad. Something in the middle. So ich bin Zolala.
Zolala. So.
Please write here. Okay, I'll write Zolala.
I'm right.
Hmm.
So the next one, not so good. Then nicht so gut.
Nicht so.
gut. Nicht so gut. So. Then bad. Schlecht. Schlecht.
Hmm.
Very bad. Sehr schlecht. Thank you. Danke.
So again, we need two people to repeat this. We should choose a male this time.
They can nominate themselves, I think.
Guys,
I
please.
don't know.
Preeti
Raise
has
hand. Yeah,
raised
they
hand.
can.
Okay.
No, she's
Okay.
asking to. Yeah, Neha is in.
Only girls. Only girls want to understand German, learn German. No boy. Okay, then let's give chance to Neha this time.
So fantastic is fantastisch.
Fantastic.
Good.
Fantastic.
Okay. Okay, Neha. We
Gates.
Ich bin fantastisch.
Ich bin fantastisch.
Good. Next. You have to say with ich bin. Ich bin fantastisch. Ich bin gut. Ich bin okay. Ich bin so lala. Ich bin nicht so gut. So all with ich bin.
Okay. Wie geht's? Ich bin fantastisch. Ich bin sehr gut.
Okay.
Ich bin gut.
Mhm.
Ich bin Zolala.
Zolala. Warum Zolala?
Ich bin nicht. Please.
Nicht
Ich bin
so gut.
Nicht so gut. Ich bin schlecht.
Also warum schlecht? Was ist los? Warum schlecht? Okay, next.
Ich bin sehr schlecht.
Sehr schlecht. Warum?
Danke.
Okay,
Very good.
sehr
Very
gut,
good, Neha.
Neha.
Sehr good.
Very good.
Sehr. Preeti is asking. Sehr is very. It means very.
Very.
One more question. If like how we pronounce the negative sentences, like I am not bad, or I am not very bad, or I am not very good.
So that comes with your expression. Like if someone will say like ich bin gut, ich bin fantastisch, like I have to say this thing. Like ich bin nicht gut, ich bin sehr schlecht heute. Es war sehr hectic. The whole day was very hectic. So that's how it comes with your expression, and that's how it depends on your mood and everything. So schlecht, nicht gut, that's upon your feeling basically.
Danke. Thank you is danke. So can we move to the next slide?
Yes, yes, yes.
Dialogue. Again, we need to nominate two people.
Let them nominate.
Yeah, they
Boys are not interested today. They'll mark as absent today. No boys will get any attendance today.
You might think there are not many boys in the group itself.
But there should be at least one. Should
Yeah,
इतना बोल दिया
one or
हमने.
two तो है.
Okay, anyone? Guys, be quick.
So is there anyone who wants to do the dialogue? Girls or boys, anyone?
Okay, let's choose. Let's choose them.
So, Parveen Dua and I think Sampada.
Sampada. Okay, Sampada and Praveenji. We have Vasundhara also.
Actually, I had zoomed in to the dialogue part. That's why the screen was not.
Okay, guys, go ahead. We have Praveen and Sampada. Yes, Sampada and Praveen.
Sampada.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Praveen, go ahead. Only the dialogue part. Was sagen Sie? Hallo Ben. Hallo Kamal. Wie geht's? That's the dialogue part.
May I start or?
Okay, you can start, please.
Hallo Ben.
Yes.
Then it's
Praveen. Yes, Praveen.
You can say hello Parveen, Sampada, hello Parveen, and then he can reply as hello Sampada, we get.
Hallo Praveen.
Hello, Sampada. Wie geht's?
Yes, we get. Good.
Danke gut. Sorry. Danke gut. Und dir.
Und dir. Und dir means yes.
And you.
And you means I am good and you. Yes.
How's
yes.
good? Danke.
Auch.
Auch.
Danke.
Auch good. I am also good. Thank you. That's
Auch
it.
good. Danke.
So, danke.
Let me and Himanshi repeat. Hallo Himanshi.
Hallo Suniti, wie geht's?
Danke gut. Und dir.
Auch gut, danke.
Okay, that's how it is. It's very simple. It's that simple. Any other student want to try? Guys, that's how you can improve your speaking
Pronunciation skills.
Pronunciations and speaking skills. Come on, guys. Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we have Inder Raj and Preeti Yadav. Yes,
Hello,
Preeti.
I'm Amit, ma'am. Inder Raj, Amit.
Okay, Amit. Okay. Es tut mir leid. I'm sorry.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Amit. Go ahead.
And Vasundhara ji.
Okay, very good. I'll do with Vasundhara. It's okay if she's alone.
Okay. Hello, Vasundhara.
It's Preeti with you.
Okay.
Hello, Preeti.
Hello, Amit. We get.
Danke, good. And dir?
Und dir.
Und dir.
Und dir?
Und dir.
Und dir?
Auch good, danke.
Very good, both of you.
Very good, very good. So next we have Vasundhara. Thank you guys, thank you so much. But we have to be little quick. So Vasundhara,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
sehr gut.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hello Vasundhara.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Why gets?
Wie geht's?
We gets.
Very good. Gates.
We
Danke,
gets.
danke, gut. Und dir?
Oh, good. Danke. Danke.
So you must understand. So you start with hello, okay, and then you
Yes.
say how are you, and then you say I'm good and you. I'm good and you. Und dir? Danke gut. Und dir? How are you? And then you say I'm also good. Auch gut. Danke. So this language is very polite. Trust me. They use bitte. Bitte means please. In most of their dialogues, like bitte kommen Sie, bitte sitzen Sie, bitte aufstehen, means so they use please and this thank you in every sentence. So this is the beauty about this language. That this
And
is very
can we
polite
repeat once
language.
again?
Yes, please. I'll repeat with you.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hallo Kamal, wie geht's?
Danke gut. Und dir?
Und dir. Und
Und
dir.
dir?
Auch gut, danke. Okay. Sehr gut, Vasundhara. Vielen Dank. So, we can move to the next slide.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, are you, who are you? Kanika?
No, Vidhi.
Vidhi, yes, Vidhi, please.
Okay. Hello, ma'am.
Hallo, Vidhi, wie geht's?
Danke gut. Und dir?
Auch gut, danke. Sehr gut, Vidhi. So we have learned this. So just as a revision or Wiederholung, revision, Wiederholung. What's your name? Wie heißt du? Ich heiße. That's for your revision. So let's quickly move to the next slide.
Okay.
Any question over here? Anybody has any doubt? So keeping this slide means if anybody has any doubt, that person can quickly ask.
So wie heißt du?
Heist.
Heist. So this beta symbol is double S का sound आता है English में heist.
हाँ.
Ich bin
Heist.
Ich heiße. Ich bin नहीं आएगा. See, both meaning of both is am. I am. So you can't use am 2 times. I am. No, it's wrong. Ich heiße. It can be ich heiße or ich
Or
bin.
ich bin. So ich bin Himanshi or ich heiße Himanshi.
Ich bin heiße Himanshi is wrong. Because I am Himanshi is wrong. Okay?
So wie heißt du? The lady says die Frau. The man, der Mann.
Man.
The boy, der Junge. The girl, das Mädchen. So the name of the, suppose you can say, Kunal is a boy. Kunal ist ein Junge. Preeti is a girl. Preeti ist ein Mädchen. So these are a little bit other commonly used sentences.
Yes,
If you need to ask
bitteschön.
us, if you need to ask us something, how do you spell this? Then you can ask us, wie schreibt man das? Now you are asking us in English. You can ask us, wie schreibt man das? Or
Let's suppose you don't understand it and you want me to repeat. Like, ich kann Ihnen nicht verstehen. Or you can say, wie bitte? Pardon, please. In English, if we literally transfer this, wie bitte to English is, pardon, please. Thank you. Dankeschön. Welcome. Bitteschön.
okay, so thank you is Dankeschön. You're welcome, bitteschön, which is very commonly used in this language, bitte. If you say I do not
Likewise.
understand, then wie bitte?
Wie bitte. And so if you use this wie bitte, that means you are requesting other one to repeat, other person to repeat. Okay.
So from now on, you can use these phrases to ask us questions. Wie bitte or wie schreibt man das?
Wie schreibt man das auf Deutsch? Means we want to understand what is the meaning of pen. Wie schreibt man pen auf Deutsch? So I'll say Kuli. So that way. So if I want you to repeat anything, I'll say wie bitte. And if you ask something to me, and if I'll give you, say thank you, Dankeschön, and welcome, bitteschön.
Correct.
Yes, we can move forward now. Anybody wants to try this, guys? This slide? Any new person? Maybe someone is left in the last slide. Anybody wants to try this? Ich bin eine Frau. Ich bin die Frau. Preeti.
Yes,
Preeti.
ma'am.
Preeti is very good.
I
Okay, Preeti.
Okay.
Yes, Preeti. Wie heißt du?
Ich bin die Frau.
Die Frau.
Die Frau. Ich bin der Mann.
Mhm.
Ich bin der Junge.
Junge. Junge.
Junge.
Because what we have learned yesterday in alphabets, J. That's not J, it's Junge. So that's how you'll understand this. Okay? Junge.
Ich bin das Mädchen.
Mhm.
Like Manish is in Junge.
Ein Junge. Ein
Ein
Junge.
Junge. Preeti is ein Mädchen.
Mhm.
Next, wie schreibt man das?
Wie schreibt.
Wie
Schreibt.
schreibt?
Schreibt is to spell.
Wie schreibt man das?
Not das.
Wie bitte?
Okay.
Dankeschön.
Dankeschön.
Bitteschön.
Bitteschön. Okay. Vielen Dank, Preeti. Das war sehr gut. Okay. Anybody else want to try? But we have to be little quick.
Ma'am, I'd like to.
yes, ma'am. I would like.
Okay. Both can do that. Maybe together?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Go ahead.
Die Frau.
Die Frau,
Hmm.
der Mann,
Okay. Okay. One by one. You'll get confused. So anyone can start.
Can I go first?
Okay.
Die Frau, der Mann,
Hmm.
der Junge, das
Der
Mädchen,
Junge. Hmm.
Junge, Virat ist ein Junge,
Hmm.
Anushka ist ein Mädchen,
Hmm.
wie schreibt man das?
Wie schreibt man das? Schreibt
Schreibt
means
man
to
das?
spell.
Schreibt man das? Wie
Hmm.
bitte?
Danke schön.
Hmm.
Bitte schön.
Sehr gut. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Die Frau,
Hmm.
der Mann,
Hmm.
der
Junge.
Junge,
Junge.
der Junge,
Hmm.
das Mädchen,
Das Mädchen.
das Mädchen.
Hmm.
Virat ist ein Junge.
Ein Junge.
Virat ist ein Junge.
Junge. Hmm.
Vasundhara ist ein Mädchen.
Ein Mädchen.
Wie schreibt man das? Wie bitte? Danke schön. Bitte schön.
So we have another one. What does it mean? Was bedeutet das?
So
What does
I
it
think
mean?
whenever anybody will ask a question, they should not use in English. What does it mean? They should ask us was bedeutet das.
Was bedeutet morgen? Was bedeutet Nacht? Was bedeutet schreiben? Was bedeutet
These are a list
hören?
of common phrases that you should be knowing while you are learning German.
Yes. So now onwards, only German. Nur Deutsch. Nur Deutsch. Okay? Sie können das machen. You can do it.
Yeah.
Okay, ganz schnell. Next. Yes.
Wait a second.
Also Nummer. Nummer haben Zahlen. Die Zahlen haben wir gestern gelernt. Nur eine Wiederholung. Nochmals. Zwei, drei Personen müssen das nochmals, sollen das nochmal üben. Should practice again. 3 students. And along with the song, along with the lead.
3 students can nominate themselves.
But quickly. Bitte schnell. Bitte schnell.
Vidhi, Arpana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vidhi, können Sie ein Lied mit uns
Sonal.
singen? Okay, Sonal.
Hema is also.
Hema. Okay, so many. That's great. Das hat mich sehr gefreut. I like it. Okay, so many. We're going to sing the song with using countings. So first हमारे पास कौन था? Who is the first one?
It was Vidhi, I think.
Okay, Vidhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vidhi, your song is from movie. I don't remember the name, but your song is 1 2 ka 4, 4 2 ka 1. You have to sing this, but using German counting.
Okay, but towel mein ka.
Sorry. 1 2 ka 4, 4 2 ka 1.
Okay.
My name is Lakhan. That also they can sing because my
Yes.
name is also written.
I'm Saika here.
Yes.
Yes, Saika. Thanks.
Sehr gut. My Name is Vidhi. My Name is Vidhi. My Name is Vidhi. Okay, anyone else want to try? Sehr gut, Vidhi. Gut gemacht.
Anybody else? Hema.
Hema. Yes, Hema.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So,
Hello.
so your song is from Sultan. 440 volt छूने से तेरे.
Okay. Fear, null.
Oh. 44 volt छूने से तेरे. Oh, viel Spaß, है ना? So much fun. Fear und Fiat schon ise tere. Now you can start singing like this. Like when I learned these countings, I used to sing this song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 करूँ गिन 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 के इंतजार आजा पिया आई बाहर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's all.
I
Anybody?
think, ma'am,
I
it will
join you,
take
ma'am.
time. It will take little time.
It will take little time, but it will come with practice also. You have to practice this.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Even talk any song like दो दिल मिल रहे हैं नहीं 100 दिल मिल रहे हैं ठीक है 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल नहीं सेन बहाने करके ले गए दिल ठीक है एक दिन आप यूं हमको मिल जाओगे नहीं आइन दिन आप यूं हमको मिल जाओगे फूल ही फूल राहों में खिल जाएंगे
Okay.
Anybody else?
फियर कदम बस फियर कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे ओके तो लाइक दिस सो कल मैं सुनूंगी यार सबसे मुझे ये चाहिए बिल्कुल परफेक्ट चाहिए एंड ऑफ द डे किसी के कान में दर्द हो किसी का कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट यू जस्ट हैव टू प्रैक्टिस ओके
Yeah, jump comes from practice.
Yes.
Excuse me,
That's
ma'am.
the spirit. Yes, ma'am, please.
440 is
Fear und 40. Fear und 40. 440. 440. 440. 440 छूने से तेरे. Okay? So, anybody wants to sing with me or should we go forward?
I would want to
Ma'am,
sing.
I would like to.
Okay. Who are you?
Vasundhara.
Okay, Vasundhara. Which one?
Anyone you choose.
Okay. Okay, सात समुंदर पार.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. जीवन समुंदर
समुंदर में तेरे पीछे पीछे आ गई मैं तेरे.
सुबह मम्मा को यही सुनाना जाके आज. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Sehr gut gemacht. Very good. Ich bin sehr gefreut. I'm loving it. Okay, next we can move forward, Himanshi.
Oh.
So this was the slide which was missing yesterday. So that is why it's there. Okay. So 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay.
So you have it now. Okay. So we can move to the next.
So it is where are you living? Wo wohnst du? Or wo wohnen Sie?
Sie.
I think it can also be done in dialogue part.
Yes. Zum Beispiel, for example, I wanted to say that ich wohne in Neu Delhi. Ich wohne in Faridabad. So that's how you say.
Yeah, right.
And commas भी हमने cover किया था ना हिमांशी?
ये स्टूडेंट्स को ज्यादा याद होता है.
हाँ ये याद है.
Okay. So ish Warner in Faridabad. Where is this? Next question. Where is this? You say. वो is das. वो is.
Es ist im Haryana. Es liegt im Haryana. Faridabad liegt im Haryana.
Yeah.
So if you can write this extra point, likewise, I have seen someone is from Punjab, Ludhiana. I've seen that. So you can write ich bin ich wohne in Ludhiana. Es liegt im Punjab.
Punjab.
So I think Ludhiana. Ludhiana is in Punjab, yes. So you can write this. So it will add another point in your introduction. Okay?
So the north and south directions. Norden. Süden. East, west, Austin, western.
Is das klar? Obviously, we will request someone to repeat with us. Bitte mit uns wiederholen. Okay. Okay, we can start. It was Vidhi, I guess. Vidhi?
Yes.
Okay, Vidhi, please start. Bitte beginnen.
Wo wohnst du? Ich wohne in New Delhi.
Neu Delhi.
Wo
So, new is neu. Auf Deutsch, in German, it is neu. So, for example, I also come from New Delhi. I will say, ich komme aus Neu Delhi. Okay? So, because I come from there, but now I'm not staying there. I'm staying in Faridabad. So, it's like that. So, ich wohne in Neu Delhi.
Ich wohne in Neu Delhi.
Good.
Then where is it? Wo ist das?
Wo ist das means where it is. Es liegt im Indien, im Delhi, Indian. So, अगर आपसे कोई if you know you meet someone, you say I'm from Delhi. So where is Delhi? So you have to say na wo liegt das? It's in Indian. It's in Delhi. Capital von Indien. Das ist ein Capital von Indien. It's capital of India. Okay, like that way. Okay, so that would add another line in your introduction. For example, you have learned ich bin Suniti, ich bin 29 Jahre alt, ich wohne in Neu Delhi. Es liegt in India. Delhi is capital von Indian. So that's how I'll explain, because obviously explanation, if someone requires it, then I have to explain. Okay, so
it's capital Indian.
Yes.
Okay.
Das liegt im
Das liegt in
Indian.
Indian.
So, north, south, east, west are northern, Süden, Osten, and western.
Northern, Süden, Osten, western.
Good.
And then,
Nordosten, Nordwesten, Südosten,
Südosten,
Südwesten.
Nordosten, Nordwesten, Südosten, Südwesten.
Okay, someone is from, for example, is from South Delhi. Süd, ich wohne in Neu-Delhi, aber Süd von Delhi, South Delhi. Süden von Delhi. Sorry, Süden von Delhi. Okay? South Delhi. Zum Beispiel, I want to say I'm from Ramesh Nagar. It's in western, west of Delhi. So I'll say ich komme aus Neu-Delhi, Westen von Delhi. Okay?
And the highway is going to be pronounced as the
Highway is Autobahn. Police is the
Autobahn.
Polizei. And too bad is Schade. Schade, too bad, or maybe you can say sad. Das ist sehr schade means someone explained that something wrong has happened to someone, and you want to say das ist schade means you're saying that's really bad. So that's really sad or very bad. That's way. Okay? Das ist schade.
Das ist schade.
Okay, klar. It's just klar. Okay, we can move forward. Polizei. So, Polizei. So the Farben.
Himanshi is asking last three not clear.
Himanshi is asking. So German highways.
Die Autobahn. Die Autobahn. The police is the Polizei. The Polizei. Too bad is schade. Das ist too bad.
Or sad. Is it clear now, Himanshi? Is it clear to you, or you want to try with us? If you want to, repeat with us, you can do that also. Himanshi, is it clear?
She says yes.
Okay. Okay, we can move forward.
Ma'am, please repeat these all again.
Okay. Wo wohnst du? Ich wohne in Neu-Delhi. Wo liegt das? Das liegt in Indien. Delhi, Neu-Delhi is capital von Indien. Okay. Zum Beispiel Norden, Süden, Osten, Westen. Nordosten, Northeast, Northwest, Nordwesten. Southeast, Southwest, Southwestern, Southwestern. So German highways, let's suppose, are Autobahns. The Autobahn. If you say if you want to say police in German, that is Polizei. Polizei. And too bad or something is sad, you can say schade. Das ist schade. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes.
Or we can say India lies in the south of Asia. How would you say that? India lies in the south of Asia. India is in the south of Asia in German. India liegt im Süden von Asia.
Okay. Any other question, guys? Okay, die Farben. Sampada is saying no, no questions. Okay. Okay, the Farben. Farben means color.
So the colors. Okay, wait a second. I think I jumped to the last slide.
The Farben, rot,
Grün,
red,
yeah,
grün, green,
blau,
blue,
gelb,
yellow.
oh, again,
Kein Problem.
lila, violet, pink, rosa, white, weiß, gray, grau, brown is brown,
But
orange
difference of
is orange.
orange. So repeat with us. Let me choose. Hema this time.
Okay,
Hema.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Was ist Ihre
What?
Lieblingsfarbe?
Dye-Farben.
What is your favorite color? So if I would ask you this, then you will explain. Mein Lieblingsfarbe ist. Mein Lieblingsfarbe ist. Yes.
Lieblings. It is Lieblings.
Lieblings, yes.
Okay.
My Lieblings is orange.
Farbe.
Orange.
Okay, Farbe is orange. Okay.
And
you can see
should
in
I
the chat box also.
should I repeat all the names of the
Yes, all.
colors?
Yes. With mein Lieblingsfarbe ist rot, mein Lieblingsfarbe ist grün. So like
Okay.
this.
Okay. My Lieblingsfarben mein Lieblingsfarben is rot.
Rot.
My Lieblingsfarben is grün.
Grün.
My Lieblingsfarben is blau. My
Good.
Lieblingsfarben is gelb. My Lieblingsfarben is schwarz.
Schwarz.
Okay, schwarz. My Lieblingsfarben is lila. Violet. My Lieblingsfarben is rosa.
Ist.
One interesting fact about Schwarz. So Black Forest pastry that we eat, that comes actually from the Schwarzwald area, Black Forest area in Germany. So Schwarz, it's Schwarz.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you for sharing mine. Yeah, even I didn't know this.
Okay, ma'am. Should I complete?
Yes, please.
My Lieblingsfarben ist weiß. My Weiß. My Lieblingsfarben ist grau. My Lieblingsfarben ist braun. My Lieblingsfarben ist orange.
Orange.
That is it.
So you're doing one mistake. Is you're saying my Lieblingsfarbe. So you need to say mine. Now start
Mine.
practicing with mine. Mine.
Okay.
So this
Okay.
was your mistake. So complete one at least. Mein Lieblingsfarbe.
Mein
Mein
Lieblingsfarben ist orange.
Orange. Good. Good gemacht. So any
Thank
other one wants to try? Sehr gut. Vielen Dank. So any Lieblings means your favorite. So if I want to say that my Lieblingsschauspieler means my favorite actor is Ranbir Kapoor. So that's how I'll say. My favorite Saft means juice is mango. So my favorite Hobby ist Kochen. Das ist nicht ist mein Lieblings. So that's also you wanted to explain your favorite thing. So you'll say use this word Lieblings. Mein Lieblings. Okay? Please write it down.
Grün. It's grün. So U with umlaut is U. Grün. Bitter.
Ist das? Okay, ist das klar? Sollen wir weitergehen? Wir sollen weitergehen. Manche. We should move forward.
Okay. Or we can continue the other in the next lecture, ma'am, if you say. Because the slides, I think, are...
How many slides are left? Is it 9 o'clock?
I say it's 8:50. We can take two more slides, or this slide only.
Just we are Vistu is okay.
I think we can cover this slide. We are Vistu.
And we go here comments too, because next slide is about familiar. So that would require time to explain each and everything, and we have a quiz also with that with that topic familiar. So I think we can cover that tomorrow. Familiar. So before that we should cover. So guys, as we have learned earlier, how old are you? We are Vistu. Ich bin 29 Jahre alt. The Farbe means its vocabulary. Color, the number is the Zahl, die Nummer. Okay, so Himanshi, move to the next slide. So that is very important to understand. Woher kommst du? So there are so many girls like me who got married to some other city. Like I come from Delhi, but now I reside with my family in Faridabad, Haryana. So I wanted to say this is another added point in your introduction. Ich komme aus Neu-Delhi, aber jetzt wohne ich in Faridabad. So that's how it is. So I come from so where you born and you brought up. So that's, and then where you currently residing. So if you wanted to say that, if it's there's so many in there's 80% or maybe 60% cases, it's different. So that is very important to learn, and which is very important to add in your in your Vorstellung, in your introduction. So, ich bin Suniti Bhatia. Ich komme aus Delhi. Jetzt wohne ich mit meiner Familie in Faridabad. Jetzt means now.
So ich komme aus Indien.
Ich komme aus Indien. Jetzt wohne in Deutschland. Matlab, I come from India, but now I'm living in Germany. So if anybody who is from India and now stays in, let's say, America or Germany or any other place, that person has to introduce like this. So that is very important in your to add in your introduction. So what we have learned, I'll write an introduction, so you also prepare that. And tomorrow I will send you a assignment, so a quiz that you have to complete. Himanshi's slide is family or something else?
It's the same. Yeah, next is
okay.
family. Next is family.
Family. So this we'll do tomorrow. Himanshi, I think we should start 7 tomorrow.
7?
Because this will take half an hour.
Yes, sir. I think, okay, I'll discuss with you later because 7 o'clock I cannot join.
Okay, we'll discuss. Okay. So guys, any question before we wind up this session? Any question? So this family topic, which is very interesting, which will take your time, we'll discuss tomorrow. We'll take this session on family tomorrow.
Okay, so
any question before we wind up, guys?
Can you repeat this? Where do you come from? So can you repeat that line?
Yes. Woher
Here.
comes to.
Comes.
Woher comes to.
Woher
comes to.
Comes do. Okay.
Do.
Okay. Do.
Woher
Okay.
comes to.
Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Farbe. Colors is Farbe, which is Welsh.
Okay, klar?
Ma'am,
is it
so
clear?
that S carries the sound of Z and vice versa, Z to S.
Is carried the sound of?
S carries the sound of Z and Z of S in German.
Not really. So you learn this. If you read something, because I'll share with you. There are so many. When we used to practice our hearing means when we used to listen. हमारे जब भी ऐसे टाइम होता था, हमारे ऐसे सेशंस होते थे, सिर्फ लिसनिंग सेशंस होते थे, तब हमें समझ आया where it is S and where it is Z and where it is Z. So it's not like I cannot say that you can consider it like this only. So that is because there are so many words in German language comes from English. So their pronunciation is sometimes different, sometimes same. So that you will learn with this with time only. Because I'll send you some videos also on that. That comes with practice. You can't assume anything. You can't relate anything. You can relate German with Hindi so many times, but not with English. Not with English. Okay. Any other question, anyone from today's session? So you can now, I'll send your House of Garber, your homework in the group that you have to do before tomorrow. before our session. So I'll send it to you. Before that, any other question? Kanika is Zolala Danka, ma'am. Zolala is only for Kanika, is for your mood or for your health. Not okay, not as okay.
So you can use your Zolala as just for expressing your
Zola.
feelings,
Yes.
but not
Or
as a
maybe you're
substitute
not
for
feeling.
okay every time. Like,
It's like you are not feeling well, so you can say in Zolala. So that's why. And your mood is not good, you can say Zolala. Only then. Otherwise, okay का okay के जगह पे आप इसको यूज नहीं कर सकते. Please repeat color part. Choose. Okay. Himanshi, can we just for 1 minute we can go on the color slide. Yes, yeah, is yes, Preeti, correct. So the farben is the plural form of color and colors. The farben plural, the farber singular. Okay, so the farber color, the farben colors. So rot, red, green, grün, blau, blue, gelb, yellow, schwarz, black, lila, purple, violet, rosa, pink. Mein Lieblingsfarbe ist rosa, weiß, white, grau, gray, brown, but with the difference of spelling, orange or orange, orange. Okay, clear.
Okay.
So it was
Let's wind up for today.
Preeti, is it clear now? Okay, Preeti. So choose bis Abend. So
Bis
tomorrow's
später.
timing, I'll send you after discussion. So we have to cover family also. How we can do that, I'll let you know. Okay, guys. Bis Abend, gute Nacht, vielen Dank.
Night.
Goodbye.